Hi, welcome to Rio Mar in the Making, where I show you how to grow a business while working a full-time job. Today, we're going to talk about Pantone. So I'm going to show you now how I research colors when I'm getting ready to design a new collection. Okay, I'm going to share my screen now. Here is the number one website you should go when researching colors, Pantone.com. Pantone is the leader in colors. Every designer, every big company, no matter if you're in the wedding industry, home decor, jewelry, fashion, if you make whatever you make, if it has color, it is recommended that you look at Pantone and look at what color was the color of the year, first of all, and what colors go with the color of the year to match, and what is trending. Like I've noticed a lot of this metallic, holographic type of look, not only from Pantone, I've seen it in other, from other competitors in other big companies. And sure enough, now I go here on Pantone.com and here it is. So if it's something that you can incorporate in your design, do it, because this, not everybody's gonna like the metallic look or the holographic look, but because it's trendy, people are going to be curious and they're just gonna look and click and say, oh, let me click on it and let me look. So that's it. You got them in your store. But then they'll buy the black one, or they'll buy the blue one, or the white one. They may not buy the metallic shimmers, but you need to have it in order to get people in your store. So go and search Pantone and just play around. Play around with color psychology. You know, if you're a graphic designer, fashion designer, you can find so much information here on Pantone.com. You see there all the metallics, and then these are the colors. It's not just any metallic. It will be like these 8 colors that they promote. Like they think, they study and they project and forecast that these are going to be the most popular colors. The color of the year is called Living Coral. And of course, you know, you look around and you see what matches with that color, what are the complementary colors. Another place to look, of course, is Pinterest. I just searched Pantone 2019 color trends. And once you see that, then you can click on one of the pictures here that is the most attractive. Like, I really like this. So I'm looking, wow, that is an intense, beautiful green with that coral. That is just such a summer, beautiful. And I'm thinking summer, right? I'm thinking I'm working on my summer collection. So that's another thing you need to take, think about is what time of the year is this product going to launch? So that, I think it's beautiful. And then you can scroll down and see the other combinations of colors. So look around and study the colors, because people buy based on the color. People will decide, oh yes, if somebody that is very trendy, they are going to make sure they get something in coral. Coral is a very popular color. A lot of people like it. So it is recommended that you include it in your collection. But then what other colors match with coral? Plus you have to have your neutrals, your regular, if you're in the jewelry industry, your silver, your golds. If you are in fashion, your black and white. cream, and also research what is the second color that is the trendiest besides the main color of the year. Because there's always a second color, and this color I think is going to be beige this year. So Pantone Summer, let's see, 2019. So here's that blush still going on. So that's something to take into consideration. You want to add the blush. Does the blush match? It doesn't have to be matchy-matchy, but it has to complement, right? A lot of blues. Here's the beige. Pantone Spring Summer 2019 color. That beige is going to be popular, I think. You can go back to Pantone and just play around. And so this is tip number 2 on how to do trend research for your collection. And before you go, don't forget to join our email list at riomardesigns.com/product line formula, where you can get your own free video series from Renae on how to build a product line that actually sells. 9 to 5 job. 9 to 5. And don't forget to that slash hola. Yeah, no.